Shortcut L. Press L. Hit Enter. And just click to draw a straight line. Shortcut A. Use A to draw an arc. Pick a start point, a midpoint, and an endpoint symbol. Shortcut C. Type C, then enter the center and radius. You've got a circle. Shortcut PL. Want to draw connected lines as one object. PL is your go-to. Shortcut REC. Need a rectangle quickly. REC gets it done instantly. Shortcut CL. For ellipses, use EL. Just click the center and define the radius. Shortcut POL. POL is for polygons. Draw triangles, pentagons, hexagons, any regular shape you need. With just these 7 shortcuts, you've already mastered the basics of drawing in CAD. Now, let's move on to editing shortcuts for adjusting and moving your drawings. Shortcut M. Type M, select the object, pick a base point, and move done. Shortcut CO. Use CO to copy. Just drag it where you want, smooth and easy. Shortcut RO. RO is for rotate. Set a base point, then enter the angle. Shortcut SC. Need to resize an object. Use SC and just input the scale factor. Shortcut TR. TR is for trim. Click the cutting edge, then trim away the extra parts. Shortcut EX. Use EX to extend. Select the boundary, then choose the object to extend. Shortcut BR. Want to break a line in the middle? BR lets you snap it cleanly in half. These 7 editing commands are used every day on real projects.